this video, we move to another group. I put these three. One is the delay, second is the delay message from the logical visibility, and the text wrapping and text space. So I put these three altogether into our part 7. And we do this altogether within this video. So let's come to the coding directly. So first, let's create our new file. So that code is 01_22 pump. And then I close the 21st and start UML and UML. And I give the title is delay in sequence diagram. So what's this the delay? Delay just the 3 dots or 3 period symbol to indicate a delay in the diagram. It not means any separation physically or any real-time delay, because these are just a diagram. So whenever you saw here has some, because they have the different style, different color, so it's used the 3 vertical red dot to replace the origin, the default is the dash line. The dash is the gray color. Now it's very clear they are the red color. Whenever you have these 3 dots, it creates some horizontal space on the diagram. So that is the delay. So then you can also use our text inside these 3 dots to indicate the time period of the delay. So first, let's see. So we create Bob from Alice's authentication request. And then the Alice is expecting to get back from Bob. So I use dotted line or solid line. I think that's not too much authentication response. And from the this one is if normally is you are not get the real-time response. So after you send the request and you need to wait authentication process in the middle, then you put 3 dots. Then you can see here they make these 2 steps is have a little more this vertical space. So then people when they saw this red like is the vertical dots, they know here get some the process running behind. And also you can specify indicate is like here is 5 minutes later. If the response give to Alice, and then if Alice doesn't do something, or when we can see some authentication have the life cycle, so of life length, we gave it 5 minutes length. Then after 5 minutes, you need to get another authentication. Then that's we will see 5 minutes later, it will have our goodbye the message. So Alice will get from Bob. If you do nothing, it's then simply bye. So that is the second way. Is you can see you put these 5 minutes later inside these a pair of 3 dots. So that gave our some labels or captains of your delay. So or you can see that it's a description for your delay. So that is the this one delay. So as usual is I create the diagram here and drag here. So I have this diagram in the disk and I can transfer that to the GitHub. And then let's go to the 23 is the text wrapping. So let's use this sequence diagram, text wrapping. It's just like it's to go to the new lines to save some horizontal space. So there's a two ways. So actually, first is we can just use this /n, the special character, to get this the text wrapping. So if I don't have anything, so before we use these keywords, max message size, let's see. So we have two participants, A, and the participant B. Then we will have A to B message. So if this is manually done. So if you don't do that, we will make another one. So to show you, so you can add /n. When you have the new lines, you don't need to have the space actually. So /n. So it's like this first part. This is the manually way. So, but what we can do is just after those metadata, you can use this skin parameter. So this we can give max message size. So here is the first M is the small case, but I see it can be the larger case. 50 is the pixel. So you can see here now when you have this pixel, then this actually is already be applied to here. So if I put it just 10, it will be very narrow. But this kind of way is not impact this, I think. So let's see. So 20. Oh, maybe 30. 100. Oh, now you can see here. So your manually return is still here. But if you don't have manually /n, then that will be applied by this skin parameter. Let's see, it's a small m. Is that okay or not? I think that's no problem. So either capital M or small case m. So that is okay. And then this is the manually done. So let's make that a comment. And I will do, this is very long message on several words. But you don't need to worry about it, so you can keep write them into one line, and here is controlled by here. So we will see normally it's a 50, so it's the same as here. This is very, so then that's exactly like this sample, very long message on several words. So that is a 50 pixels. So that is the wrapping. So let me export that. So this is our 23. Then next is the 24 is the space. So 01, 24. Sequence. So you can see here, if I have a comma here, then that will be the class, the diagram. It's not the sequence diagram title. So because they will treat me as I create our class with a class name. So now this is the title. So don't put any special character if you don't know their actual meanings. It can be the other parts. But if you put this comma inside of your text, then not directly after the special word or keywords is fine. So now is this one is the space. So let's see Alice send Bob message 1 and Alice get Bob return OK. So let's copy this. So this message 2, this message 3. So if you don't have any separation, so we learned is you can put some separation or divider. But if you just wanted to see they are certain slightly the grouping, so you can use this pipe, the peer. This signal, so or symbols, you can compare now. If I add this one, here is the bigger space, or I mean the vertical space, compared to this one. So that even you have the space is not recognized as a space. The empty line is not count. But here, if you add this, then you will get a space. So you can see the message 3. So if you want more, so you can keep adding. So if you add 2 lines, or let's see, I want is more of that, is then my picture is getting the very tall. So you can just keep those in your own. So and also, so you can make that let's see 4. So like is the last one is 3 dots. You can use that as a pair. So let me see. So if I put is 5 0, it's different. So compared to here is you don't need a 3. 3 means just finish with this line that have the meaning. But if you want to add some figures, you should use this number. But before and after just the double. So if I put this 200, then you see the big the effect is here is 200 pixels. So pixel is just like 1 dot in your screens. So that depending on the resolution of your monitor. So but that is the this pixels unit. If you know that, or you compare to these 4 lines, I think it's almost a double. So 100 pixel is almost similar to here. So I can suppose is one line of this space sign is about 25 the pixels around. So it's not exactly accurate, but you can use this to adjust your vertical space. So I hope it's that you get same result on your own. So let me create this, and later on I will post into the GitHub. Now I finished this 3, so that is also done for this part 7. I put some hints in this mind map. You can get free plan to read this. Or is I keep export map to the markdown. So in this GitHub site is you get this markdown. So let's see. So part 7. So let me push those to GitHub, and then I show you from here is the 01. Is here is our code. So we just finished this 0124. So this is our code. And also in the root, you get is this is the mind map, and this markdown. Markdown is just the simple the text export. So if you go to the chapter 1, part 7, so you can see here, delay. You can either use a symbol or use this pair. So that is mapping to what we have here. So if you read from the different level, so then it's on this different branch hierarchy. So either way, you can get what we documented as a knowledge the mind map. And then that is the finish for this small group or part 7. Next video is we will go to the part 8. I put 2 altogether. One is the lifeline, activation and destruction, and the second is return, which means you save a message to yourself that is a return. So we learn simple return or return label. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye for now.